It is often said that behind every successful human is a dog. This is especially true in the case of a terrier named Chico Marx. He was wicked smart, and his human, I think his name was Albert Einstein, stole many of his ideas. Without Chico, Albert couldn't even tie his own shoes. Anyway, this pooch once said, and I quote,
"Compound interest is the most powerful force in the universe."
What is compounding interest, you ask? Well, it's only the most important piece of your financial puzzle, my two-legged friend, so allow me to explain. Imagine you're sniffing around the trees, reading the text left by the dogs, when suddenly nature calls. You do your business and manage to soak the entire base of the tree. Nice work. They're really going to enjoy that tech, you think to yourself. It is then that you realize a squirrel who was unaware of your presence was caught in the crossfire. He is soaked and very upset, but hey, you're not worried. After all, you're a lot bigger and stronger than him. It's then that he runs up a tree and starts calling for his buddies. Another squirrel soon hears the signal and repeats it. Now 2 squirrels are calling for their buddies. Soon, 2 more squirrels show up, bringing their number to 4. These 4 squirrels are now calling for their buddies, and now you got 8 squirrels poking their misshapen heads out of the trees. And they don't look happy. It isn't long before there's squirrels everywhere, and you're running for your life. Oh, mammy. I hope this terrifying example didn't traumatize anyone too much. I simply wanted to demonstrate how compounding interest works. If you invest your money and it produces more money, which you reinvest, it could multiply just like those crazy squirrels. All you have to do is keep reinvesting your money in a smart way, which I'll teach you. With enough time, even a small amount can grow into something amazing. So don't let compounding interest scare you. Chico Marx said it is the most powerful force in the universe, and he was one of the smartest dogs that ever lived. You can probably trust him on that, although I don't know about that Einstein guy. He seems a bit shady. Woof. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and maybe even like this video if you're so inclined. Who's a good human? You are. Woof.